गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने पढ़ा था ब्लैक बॉडी रेडिएशन के अंदर के स्पेस और वेवलेंथ वर्सेज थर्मल एमिशन जो है वो टेम्परेचर पे कैसे वेरी करता है उसके बारे में पढ़ रखा था। अब हम उसी में आगे पढ़ रहे हैं ब्लैक बॉडी रेडिएशन में हाउ मच एनर्जी इज इमिटेड इन ब्लैक बॉडी। एनर्जी इमिटेड इन ए वेवलेंथ रेंज बिटवीन, सपोज मान के चले हम वेवलेंथ रेंज है के प्लस के डी, के एंड के प्लस डी के, number of modes in wavelength range x energy per mode. Then number of modes, volume of spherical cell between k and k plus dk, then volume occupied by each mode in k space. Their figure is showing in 3-dimensional kx, ky and kz. तो यहाँ पर जो येलो है वो ky शो कर रहा है, जो रेड है वो के जेड शो कर रहा है और ब्लू जो दे रखा वो है के एक्स एक्सिस में है। तो इस तरह से हमने इसको जो 3-डायमेंशनल पिक्चर है उसको ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश की है। यहाँ पर ये क्या सेव कर रहा है कि के प्लस डी के बीच में जो टोटल वॉल्यूम है वो कितना है। देन वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाइड बाय ईच मोड इन के स्पेस डिफाइंड डी एन के इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई के स्क्वायर डी के अपॉन टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस स्पेस 4 पाई क्यू अपॉन एल क्यू इंटू 2। देन calculated v k square upon pi square d k, factor of 2 for two different and independent polarization per mode, factor of 2 for two different independent polarization per mode, v is equal to L q. Then energy per mode according to classical equipartition theory, each mode classical oscillator has energy E is equal to kT. Here k is the Boltzmann constant and then value put in the dE respect to k, then vk square kbt by pi square upon dk. There v is the volume of space. Then change variable to wavelength and dk is equal to vk square kt by pi square dk. Then dE lambda, then we right hand side substitute and multiplied by the d lambda, then put the value of dk by d lambda, then v 4 pi square kt upon lambda square pi square into 2 pi upon lambda square d lambda is equal to 8v pi kt lambda 4 d lambda. This is equal to de lambda upon d lambda is equal to 4 pi v kt upon lambda 4. This spectral intensity क्या कहलाती है? रेले प्रोडक्शन डिफाइंड एज रेडिएटिव power per unit wavelength, volume per unit area per unit time. These spectral intensity defined radiated power per unit wavelength, volume per unit area per unit time. Then Rayleigh length result E lambda is equal to 1 by V upon D lambda by D into C into geometrical factor. This is equal to 2 pi C kt upon lambda 4. This spectrum of emitted radiation in black body emission spectrum for various. Then these graph are according to Rayleigh. This graph and lambda in micrometer and energy E is equal to E lambda upon gm omega. This is equal to vary. Their figure is showing continuously the value of temperature is increased, then peak of these graph are increasing. Then but here we in direction of x axis we showed first temperature is the 1100 k 1000 k 89, and then in, temperature is continuously decreasing. Then this peak is shift into x direction, this peak is shift in x direction. Then first 11k is approximately 3, then 3 point this is equal to this, then peak decreases with increases temperature. Area under curve, total emitted power increase with increasing temperature. Experimentally, the dependence of peak wavelength on temperature is found to be given by is equal to lambda t is equal to constant 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the Wien's displacement law. According to this theory, then difference between classical versus quantum mechanics. Then classical Rayleigh pictures electromagnetic modes have continuous spread of energies and average energy of oscillator at temperature T is equal to kT. But in quantum mechanics by Planck constant या Planck theory, Then EM modes only allowed to have energy in integer multiples of some constant times the oscillator frequency is equal to ENHF. Here E is equal to NH nu. Then average energy of oscillator at temperature T. E average is equal to h nu upon e की power h nu by kT minus 1. This is the mean energy on quantum mechanics according to Planck radiation theory. Then modeling the black body spectrum, obtain expression for spectral intensity by taking product of average energy per oscillator and number of oscillator modes per unit volume. Then Planck's result E lambda is equal to 2 pi hc square lambda 5 cos the bracket E hc upon lambda kt minus 1. This model predicts the form of black body spectrum perfectly, no UV catastrophe. First experimental anomaly to be explained by the need for a quantum theory, H originally introduced by Planck purely as an empirical constant to fit data. Then I lambda is 2 pi hc square lambda 5 e की power hc upon lambda kt minus 1. These wavelengths and I vary is this graph showing in first, this second graph according to Planck are defined as this. Then quantum theory gives excellent agreement with experiment. This experiment result is showing decreasing with the temperature, and then this Planck graph also showing for the similarity of this standard graph. Thank you.